India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Now regarding the PMJAY and DDSSY, one thing I should admit that many of the people, many of the doctors also do not know the difference between the PMJAY and DDSSY. That is my personal experience. DDSSY that, no, to PMJAY work. So there is a difference. So first thing is we have to sensitize all our staff about this. PMJAY and DDSSY are two different things. And as in Asilo Hospital, we have a good system which is going on. We have dedicated staff for raising the cases and this. So it is ongoing, but I think the identification of families which was on a war footing, which we did camps and all, and we were able to identify about 7,000 to 8,000 families there, and now I have been told that it is 9,000 plus. So we still need to identify these PMJY families so that we can generate much more revenue which goes to the health facilities, and then we can incentivize.
But the problem is that the local doesn't understand the importance of these free things. Value value because all the operations in cancer, because I am working in cancer, so I can tell you all the operations, including liver, pancreas, lungs, esophagus, everything so-called something by to the normal operation, it will cost you minimum around 3 lakhs of operation per operation, which is done totally free of charge. And it is done in our Manipal hospital, not in government hospitals, free, because government is giving everything is free.